824, once again, your spare change.
Let's go.
This is your spare change flash. So we have $800. And the spare change, first number is 6. Number 6. 65. 65. 22. 22. 31. 31.
Got a 6. 6 is already on.
36. 36. 9. Number 9. 26. 26.
4. Put me out of that one.
34. 34.
15.
60. 60.
1 is on.
16. 16.
10. Damn.
25.
Took me out of both of them.
25.
58 is what? 13?
58.
Oh, man.
58.
That sucks.
10.
No.
10.
3. Come on, give me a 13. 13.
3.
Give me a 13.
Number 3.
5. Threw me out.
5.
Threw me out.
Number 5.
I don't have it. Dang it.
75. 75.
12.
27.
Oh, I thought it was 12.
27.
8.
8. Number 8.
I don't have 13. I said give me a rope 13.
13.
Number 13.
13.
4.
19. 19.
2.
47.
Come on.
47.
Okay, come on. 72. 72. Yellow, yellow. Back to back. Back to back. Back to back.
42.
Back to back. Back to back.
42.
Back to back. I got it back to back.
72.
Bingo!
Big on 72. Okay. You go there.
I got it back
So
to back.
has spare change been inserted in?
I should have known.
It came back. I said back to back. I was hoping it was 62.
Okay.
27, 42,
Oh.
27. 42.
72,
72. Please have one.
400.
400. Whoever has a spare change.
Over here.
Right there. Okay.
We split, Matt. We split.
All right. We got leftover spare change. Also, it's $400. Basically, our 2 volt bingo flag.